Okay, I've never said this out loud as a pharmacist, but I trust this tea more than cold and flu meds. This is my go-to immune support tea, and it is so underrated. You know, when you get the flu and you get prescribed Tamiflu at the pharmacy, cloves work the same way Tamiflu does, but naturally. They slow down viral replication, and they're super high in antioxidants. So I'm going to add cinnamon. Cinnamon is super rich in cinnamaldehyde and polyphenols. These compounds break down mucus in your chest and your lungs, so it's perfect if you have a wet cough, and they help reduce inflammation in the body. And lastly, chopped ginger. Ginger is unique in that it helps boost circulation. So it helps your immune system move white blood cells more efficiently throughout your body. I am actually super sick right now, even though it doesn't seem like it. I just have a ton of herbs and potions literally pumping through my veins, but this clove tea always helps me.